May 2016, we welcomed Gary Mahon as the new CEO to the Queensland Trucking Association. Gary is a familiar face to many in the industry after his 19 years working with the Department of Transport and Main Roads. Gary's reputation as a trusted navigator in the regulatory space, combined with his open engagement style, makes him a strong advocate for facilitating innovative change for our members and for the road freight industry in Queensland. Let's hear Gary's plans for the future of the QTA.
For our industry to prosper into the future, innovation and efficiency is fundamental. We need the support of government to ensure that we can design and bring the types of vehicles we need onto our roads to be able to meet the challenges of the future over the next 5 to 10 years. The three characteristics where we'll be driving our priorities over the next couple of years centre around freight networks and infrastructure, a reasonable and sustainable set of economic regulation, and we need the support of government to be able to introduce greater innovation and efficiency into our industry. So high productivity vehicles are very much a part of our future, and we need to see greater numbers of them in the fleet to be able to meet the task over the next 5 to 10 years. QTA will provide that voice to assist you in being able to communicate our message and the priorities to the government, be they state or federal, or the National Heavy Vehicle Regulator, to be able to get the job done and ensure that you have the most productive environment you can to operate within a reasonable set of economic regulations, and of course to operate in a safe way. It is in this way that we will guarantee the sustainability of our industry's future, both as a productive contributor to the economy, but also a key provider of employment in a growing state. We want to ensure that governments at all levels continue to recognise and acknowledge the great value the road transport industry brings to the economy of our state and our country.
To ensure we have the people we need to manage the freight task in Queensland, developing the skills of our workforce is fundamental to our industry's future. To support industry, the Queensland Trucking Association established the Vet for TNL program. Funded by the Queensland Department of Education and Training, its aims are twofold. 1, to provide information to industry about training packages, skilling initiatives, and valuable funding. 2, to give a voice for industry to provide feedback to the government about emerging job roles, identify current and future skill sets in demand, as well as provide information about the current training packages. The Vet for TNL program targets all businesses and operators within the entire supply chain, from road transport, carrying freight across the state, to passenger transport, taking our children to school, from maritime shipping services to charter boat operators, from air cargo to passenger air travel, from rail transporting our resources to ports or connecting our communities, from our warehouses to our distribution centres, sending goods to stores all across Queensland. We are here to support and help all sectors access training and develop skills across their workforce. We can help you link into existing training initiatives, assist you in developing business cases for new skills to be included in training packages, or even provide access to suitable funding. Get involved by visiting www.qta.com.au/vet.
The QTA is made up of a small staff with expertise in areas of priority that will assist with the viability and profitability of your business. To find out more about joining the QTA, make contact with me to have a conversation about your business and our membership services.